Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Umar and you are watching my channel World of Knowledge. Today in this video I will tell you how to fix your YouTube full screen. Let's start this video. We will go in YouTube and you can see any video. It's just like that video. So we will play. After rotate this video you can see it's not in full size because it's an issue. So how can we fix this problem? It's very easily, friend. Let's back to the main menu and go to the settings. In the setting you will go in apps. Press the apps and go in YouTube. Yes, YouTube, below. Yeah, this is the YouTube. Go to YouTube and force stop. Press the force stop. So basically we will go back on YouTube. We will go back to YouTube and try again. Play this video. And now you can see the problem is resolved. It's very easily and you will solve your problem in 2 minutes. So thank you for watching this video and get more informative video. Press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.